Running an agency, juggling projects, budgets, and team workload can be overwhelming. That's where Productive.io comes in, a powerful all-in-one platform designed specifically for agencies. It combines project management, time tracking, financial forecasting, and client reporting into a single system, eliminating the need for multiple disconnected tools. With Productive.io, you can plan projects, assign tasks, and track progress in one centralized workspace. Its real-time profitability tracking shows exactly which clients or projects are eating into your margins. The built-in time tracker with optional screenshots ensures accurate billing, while resource scheduling prevents team burnout by visualizing who's over capacity. Pricing starts at just $11 per user month for essential project management, scaling up to $39 per user month for advanced features like client portals and predictive workload forecasting. There's even a free trial to test it risk-free. The verdict? If you're tired of switching between Trello, Harvest, and spreadsheets, Productive.io could be your agency's command center. It's not the cheapest option, but the time saved on manual work pays for itself.